my shoulder level is one high and one low. Okay, is it normal? Many people ask me, right, hey Ben, there are someone who tells me that my shoulder level is one high and one low. Okay, is it normal? Okay, if you see someone who is having shoulder level one high, one low, that is normal. Okay, I repeat, if you see someone who has shoulder level one high and one low, that is normal. If you see someone who has both levels, shoulder levels are same level, that is not normal. Okay, so that's a fact number one, or the truth number one. Now, number two, right shoulder and left shoulder, which higher is normal or lower is normal? Okay, I give you a simple clue. If she is a right-handed or she is a right dominant arm, her right shoulder should appear to be slightly lower than the opposite side. I repeat, if she is a right-handed or right dominant arm on the right side, so that means her right shoulder level will be slightly lower compared to the opposite. Okay, so therefore, today if she is a right-handed and I see that her right shoulder level is higher, that means what? She is highly probably she will have some spinal problem, or we call it scoliosis.